Hey, KS Services is now running their $59 fall tune-up special. Our team arrives on time and is always professional. Be sure your unit is ready for the cooler temperatures by visiting our website, callks.com today, and schedule your appointment. It's fast and easy. The weather's getting cooler and the days are getting shorter. Don't let the fall weather sneak up on you. Call us today. 205-322-9090, AL certification number 1112.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Tuesday, the 9th of January. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather warming up in the short term. A shot of very cold air for the weekend. Could there be a snowflake or two around here Friday night? As always, things to talk about. So here we go. This is the look at the 500 millibar chart early this morning. Based on the data from OZ last night, and you can see troughing over the Gulf of Mexico, ridging to the west, and the satellite view showing mostly cloudy conditions across the state this morning, and no ice problems. Fort Payne, they were below freezing yesterday at this time. This morning, they're at 46. Birmingham at 45, Tuscaloosa 50. And again, a warm-up headlines the midweek forecast. Some spots may be touching 70 by Thursday. Wow. Around the nation, pretty much, it's the big thaw. But don't get used to it because more Arctic air invades the continental United States late this week and over the upcoming weekend. We'll feel it Saturday. North of the state got some dense fog problems for parts of Tennessee, Kentucky, Missouri. Winter storm watches in effect for parts of the Midwest and the High Plains, but down here things are quiet. Severe weather outlook today, maybe some thunder for the southwest United States and for Florida. But no severe weather expected. And we'll check the rain for the next 7 days across the country. Big rains out west. In fact, some flash flooding problems possible for Southern California, especially in those burn areas out around Los Angeles. And pretty good amounts of precipitation for the east in Alabama. And this is, again, valid through Tuesday morning of next week. Rain amounts over 1 inch for the north, over 1/2 inch for the south. And the next widespread rain will be on Friday, as you'll see. Model fans, let's check it out. Here's the GFS. This is the 06E run at noon today. Upper low in the Gulf, upper low just north of Los Angeles. But generally speaking, heights are coming up across the country, and that'll give much of the nation a break from the Arctic air. Down below that, today will be a cloudy day. There could be a few isolated showers, but many places will be dry, and we should reach the mid to upper 50s today. Tomorrow we go for the 60s. Both the NAM and the GFS are at 62 for Birmingham. And again, the sky cloudy. There could be a few scattered showers, but nothing widespread. There's no dynamic forcing for rain. This is Thursday. A surface low passing through the Great Lakes. We're very mild. Highs in most spots, mid to upper 60s. And again, the chance of a few showers during the day. And then Friday, the rain becomes widespread as a surface low comes right through the state. And it's probably going to be a day where temperatures go the wrong way. We could be in the 50s at daybreak. We fall through the 40s during the day, maybe winding up in the 30s by late afternoon. And ooh, look at the GFS suggesting potential for a little change to snow on the backside of the departing storm Friday evening. This is Friday at 6 o'clock and then Friday at midnight. And this would be mainly for the northern third of the state. And the GFS wants to put down 1 to 2 inches of snow for northeast Alabama. With the bullseye over Jackson County, places like Scottsboro, and that's where it's got 2 inches. We'll check the European. It's not as bullish on the snow. This is midnight Friday night, 12 a.m. Saturday. Maybe a few flurries near the Tennessee border, but nothing. And then 6 a.m. Saturday, the GFS has it just cold and dry. So, again, no change in our forecast. We'll mention a soaking rain Friday, falling temperatures, and then maybe a few snowflakes on the backside of the rain Friday night as it all winds down. Traditionally, with setups like this, you don't get much snow. But again, this is still several days out, and we'll keep an eye on things. But the one thing we can promise is going to be cold on Saturday. It's a 1046 high. A windy and cold day. The high will most likely be in the upper 30s. It'll feel colder. The sky gradually clearing. This is Sunday. Again, very cold. We start the day down around 20. The high will be around 40. The sky should be sunny. And Monday, again, very cold early in the day. The low close to 20. High Monday should be in the 40s. The sky will be sunny. Looks like a clipper passing maybe north of the state. Here's a week from today. This is Tuesday the 16th, troughing over the east. And again, we are just cold and dry. If this verifies, in fact, a reinforcing surge of cold air coming in behind the clipper. And if this were to be correct, we might see highs dropping in the 30s again. This is the end of the forecast period. This is Thursday of next week, the 18th, troughing over the northwest. And a little feature coming in here suggesting maybe a chance of rain showers. No winter mischief, just rain showers. The roller coaster. We get up in the 60s a couple days. And again, you see a high of 60 on Friday. If we see 60, that's going to be pretty early in the day, maybe Friday morning. We'll fall through the day. And then the European ensemble here suggesting highs for the weekend dropping in the 30s. Then the 40s for the first half of next week. But then we warm up again with maybe 60s by the weekend of the 20th and the 21st. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Hey, KS Services is now running their $59 fall tune-up special. The weather's getting cooler and the days are getting shorter. Don't let the fall weather sneak up on you. Call us today, 205-322-9090, AL certification number 11120.